Sunfood iranwe lama China abese embilo kwafika uGeneral Mkhwanazi ehamba no Premier bafike bayivala icompany because beqasha ama foreigner abantu base South Africa ababekhona nabasamba nabo babashiya kanjalo bayishintsha icompany njengamanje sebela eSpringfield so bahamba nje bengabakhokhelanga imali ayikho into abayeni bavele banyamalala nje kanjalo so sesila njengamanje ama foreigners sifikile aqashisiwe ke avaliwe aswatholi amanye angene ngale abalekile angena ngale so size nje kuleyo nto nama China amanye ngaphakathi yona lama China arana iSunfood distributela ospa amakhekhe itolo nje lezi ezinkulu distributela uyena uSunfood uyena umnini wenkampani lo ubaba lo bayigama lakhe. What's your name? Yeah, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
We don't know.
You don't know your name?
I don't know his nickname.
You don't know your name?
You
Yeah.
understand that nickname?
Eh?
Yeah.
I don't shout at me, man. Don't shout at me.
Don't understand that.
Don't
Got it,
shout.
got it.
Don't shout at me.
What are you going to do? What are you going to
Don't
do?
shout at me.
You come in and looking
Yeah, okay. This is the owner of the business. Uyena lo babevaliwe umkhwanazi ngale. So namanje sizoyivala inkampani ngezi operate until bakhipha ama illegal foreigners baphinde bakhokhe imali zabasebenzi abala. Salute.